The dismissal of 3 volunteer firefighters caused a firestorm in a small town. But did the dismissal violate their constitutional rights? The Eighth Circuit considered this burning question in Shands v. City of Kennett. Forrest Busch, Don Key, and Mitchell Shands, or the plaintiffs, served as volunteer firefighters for the City of Kennett, Missouri. David Horton applied for an open volunteer position. The plaintiffs opposed hiring Horton, partially because they wanted the department to hire a firefighter who was certified to disconnect electric and gas meters. The plaintiffs spoke to Jingo Cole and other city council members about tabling Horton's hiring. At a city council meeting, Councilman Bill Wilson moved to table Horton's hiring, which Cole seconded, but the motion was defeated, and the council hired Horton. John Mallett, the fire chief, learned of the plaintiffs' attempts to prevent Horton's hiring. Shands admitted that one of his motives in speaking to Cole was to undermine Mallett's authority and to show Mallett that he couldn't always get his way. Mallett dismissed the plaintiffs from their positions. In interviews with the local press, Mallett said he discharged the plaintiffs for insubordination and misconduct. The plaintiffs sued the city under Section 1983, alleging discharge in retaliation for protected First Amendment speech and deprivation of a protected liberty interest without due process. A jury found for the plaintiffs on both counts, but the trial court granted the city's motion for a judgment notwithstanding the verdict on both counts. The plaintiffs appealed to the Eighth Circuit.